Most people spend their whole life trading time for money. If you stop working, the income stops coming in. That's why so many people get close to retirement and start wondering if what they've saved will really be enough. But what if you built something small that paid you every month instead? We call this our $10 retirement plan. And yes, it is only $10 a month. And here's how it works. With Global Domains International, or GDI for short, you own a piece of digital real estate. The .ws website domain is just $10 a month. But the real opportunity isn't just the domain. It's when people join through you. You get a link, you earn $1 every month, that they stay active. And the goal is simple, just to help 5 people, to find 5 people. Okay, now stick with me because I know you're probably saying, oh, I can't recruit. That's totally cool because we have a system that does this for you. So if you find 5 people and you show them, if those 5 people each help 5 people, then the network begins to grow like this. Okay, this is by the time your network grows, the total monthly payout is near $4,000 from a $10 business. That's why we call this our $10 retirement plan. Okay, you can either supplement your income or add to, the pension or however you need it. Now, here's the secret weapon. And here's the best part, because you don't have to chase people or recruit alone. Our smart rotator system helps distribute signups through the team, so everyone has a chance to benefit as the network grows. So this is totally possible because the smart rotator does it for you. Okay, so instead of trying to save hundreds of thousands of dollars for retirement, you're building a small digital asset that can grow over time. Now, this is not instant. It does take patience and consistency. But if you stick with it for a year, and that's what we ask, is for a year's commitment to stick with it, to learn, to educate yourself, and to stay active. To stay active in the Smart Rotator, and the Smart Rotator will send you signups. The Smart Rotator actually sends you 10 people if you're active, up to 10 people. Okay, so this can be, much more. That's potential, okay? Potential earning. Again, not a guarantee. This is not a guarantee that you're going to earn this. You can come in and do nothing and earn nothing, too, okay? But if you stay patient and you stay consistent, you increase your possibilities of earning this, okay? You stick with it for a year and you'll see that the monthly income could actually surprise you. If you want to see exactly how this $10 retirement plan works, click the link below, and then you can take your free 7-day trial. And then again, after that, it's only $10 a month for the potential to earn with this plan to be able to retire. Okay, so God bless and take care. And yes, and another way that you can get signups too, because you listen to the end of this video, is by liking and subscribing to my channel, and also commenting below so that I see you. And then once a month, I place a new member below you as I get new members that come in. So you don't have to do videos. You don't have to advertise. Just be active in the Smart Rotator, and I send you a video on how very simply to do that. You can do this 30 minutes a day, and you can be active in the Smart Rotator. Okay? Okay, God bless and take care. And click the link below and take a look.